Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to buy shares in DFM. Open a brokerage account that supports DFM listings and complete identity verification. Next, fund your account with the correct currency and enable international trading if needed. Research ticker symbols, review company filings, and set buy limits or market orders. Monitor fees, taxes, and settlement periods to avoid surprises. Keep diversification and risk management front of mind when choosing shares to purchase. Choosing the right broker matters for DFM trading, so prioritize one that lists DFM stocks and has clear fee disclosure. Check account minimums, international transfer options, and whether they offer limit or market orders for DFM trades. Read user reviews about execution speeds and support responsiveness, and confirm currency conversion costs. Use demo accounts if available to practice. Finally, pick a broker that helps you feel confident and supported in your investing journey. If you're finding this guide helpful, please like and subscribe to support the channel and get future updates. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice to keep your ride smelling crisp after long market research sessions, and it's tiny enough to tuck in your glove box. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can snag one easily. Now let's get back to the video. When placing a DFM order, decide between a market order for speed or a limit order for price control, and always double-check the ticker and lot size. Factor in settlement times and any trading halts that might affect execution. Consider setting stop loss and take profit orders to manage risk without constant monitoring. Keep an eye on commission structures and currency conversion fees that can affect your net cost. Practice patience and review confirmations after trading.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.